watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to Farmhouse-Inspired Spring Decor Ideas. Incorporate springtime decor into every space in your home. Because of its upbeat mood, which is beneficial for your house, it will be fantastic. You can add some springtime touches to your old furniture to make it look better. You might also create the homemade decorations to adorn the interior of your house. You may get it here to finish off the ornaments on your coffee table, dining table, foyer, mantle, rack, etc. Look at these concepts. Add a touch of spring to any space. For a rejuvenating atmosphere, bring the joyous vibes of spring into every room of your house. Restyle old furniture. Revitalize your area with ease by giving your old furniture a new look with spring-inspired materials. DIY ornaments. Use your imagination to create unique, charming accents for your mantle, rack, coffee table, dining table, doorway, and more. Rustic lantern adorned with foliage. Lanterns full of rich vegetation will give your design a rustic touch while bringing the outside inside. Metal pitcher with white flowers. The understated beauty of metal pitchers embellished with delicate white flowers will elevate any space. Cotton wreath. A soft cotton wreath is the ideal way to embrace country charm and greet guests. Spring sign. Add some seasonal joy and nostalgia to your home by hanging some adorable spring signs. Flower-filled door basket. Greet guests in style with door baskets brimming with colorful flowers. Greenery with moss wreath. Add texture and depth to your arrangement by arranging moss wreaths against rich greenery to create a natural focal point. Metal watering can. Use metal watering cans filled to the brim with flowers to add a touch of vintage charm to your decor. Milk bottle with purple flowers. Add a splash of color to any room with these elegantly simple milk bottles filled with vivid purple flowers. Elegant foliage arrangements that radiate vibrancy and freshness can breathe new life into your house. Baby's breath spiral wreath. Add a quirky touch to your decor while embracing the delicate beauty of baby's breath with spiral wreaths. Mason jars hanging. Make lovely arrangements with mason jars filled with springtime flowers to give a rustic yet refined touch to any space. Easter cup in the farmhouse style. These mugs are ideal for enjoying your favorite drinks in style as you celebrate the season. Lace flower arrangement. Infuse your room with a touch of vintage charm by adding lace-adorned flower arrangements to add a romantic touch. Farmhouse chairs with metal vases. For a rustic chic aesthetic, group farmhouse chairs with metal vases full of flowers. Yellow and orange flowers. Bring warmth and happiness into your room with the sunny hues of yellow and orange flowers. Blue hydrangea arrangement. Add a calm element to your decor by using blue hydrangea arrangements to create stunning centerpieces. Garden moss balls in cement. Use garden moss balls in cement to give any area a distinctive organic touch that draws the eye. Cabinet with floral arrangement. Add some natural appeal to your kitchen or living room by adorning your cabinets with floral arrangements. White planter arrangement. White planter arrangements provide life and freshness to your home while showcasing your green thumb. Hanging flowers in wire baskets. Add a whimsical touch and a magical element to your space by creating displays with hanging flowers in wire baskets. We appreciate you coming along for the ride as we share our spring decor ideas in the farmhouse style. We hope you were inspired to use the beauty and charm of the season to update your house. For more advice and inspiration on home decor, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy decorating until the next time.